Understanding Shucking Corn, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, shucking corn. This phrase is a great example of specific terminology used in everyday English, especially in contexts related to cooking or agriculture. Stay tuned as we unravel the meaning and usage of shucking corn. Shucking corn refers to the process of removing the outer layers of a corn cob. This includes the husk, the green layer, and the silk, the thin, hair-like strands. It's a common task in cooking and prepping corn for various dishes. When you shuck corn, you're getting it ready to be cooked or eaten. The term shuck comes from the Middle English word shucken, which means to peel or remove the outer covering. Historically, shucking was an important task in agricultural communities, especially in regions where corn was a staple food. Today, shucking corn is used globally, especially in countries where corn is a popular food item. 1. Hold the corn firmly. Grip the corn cob from the top, where the silk protrudes. 2. Peel down the husk. Gently but firmly peel the outer green layers, husk, down to the base of the cob. 3. Remove the silk. Once the husk is peeled back, remove the silk by hand or with a soft brush. 4. Snap off the husk. Bend the husked layers and the stalk to snap them off at the base. Apart from its literal meaning, shucking corn can be used metaphorically in English. For instance, saying someone is shucking their responsibilities could mean they are removing themselves from their duties, similar to how one removes the husk from the corn. And there you have it. Shucking corn is more than just a phrase. It's an insight into cultural practices and language evolution. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more such phrases and their meanings.